And, uh-oh, here we go. Barsha to the right. It's going to be the outside line, and he scrubs right in.